Hi, let's see how we can customize the default text if the report returns no records found. Having the ability to customize the text in the results page allows us to create much more functional applications by adding call to actions to make it easier for end users to navigate the application. For example, here I've added two links. One takes me back to the search form if there are no records found, or if I search again, I can click on the other link to add a new contact. To implement this inside your own applications, go inside your Caspio account, click on Localizations, go under Results Pages and click on Messages, and then locate the No Records Found default text. This is the text that you will typically see when you return the results and you have no entries inside your table. To customize the text, go to the text area underneath that, and here you can add your own text along with HTML code. And just like in my live example that we just looked at a minute ago, I have no contacts found and I have two links linking back to my other data pages. So click here to add a new contact or search again. And when you click on this link, it takes you back to the search form of your data page. This section is highly customizable. You can add any text you'd like. You can also drop your own CSS or HTML if you want to further polish up the look and feel of your applications and make them more functional. Thanks for watching the video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, leave us a comment below. If you did like the video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next video.